Today I'm demonstrating how you can make your own rice water for skin breakout free. More splendid, smoother, more youthful looking skin. First we should discuss why rice is so useful for the skin. Rice water is brimming with minerals and amino acids that are fundamental for the skin, including ferulic corrosive, which is a groundbreaking cell reinforcement that contains mitigating properties. And to being one of the most delicate skin purging operators, rice water contains nutrient B1, C and E, which together can recoil pores, fix, light up and relax skin. For whatever length of time that it's left on the skin, first water can much offer a slight assurance from the sun. So how about we jump on to how you can make your own rice water. You will require a bowl or pot, contingent upon the amount you need to make. I make a lot since I additionally utilize the rice water to wash my face. An estimating container and water, a compartment to store your rice water. I'm simply utilizing an old espresso container. This can hold up to 1 liter and a large portion of a cup of rice. You can utilize any rice. Different rice have different advantages. I'm simply utilizing white rice since I have at home. So the main thing you need to do is wash your rice. This is significant since you need to dispose of any earth microbes and pesticides. I like to wash my rice in any event multiple times. You'll see that the water turns smooth. This isn't our rice water. This is the thing that we need to dispose of. After you wash the rice, now you can include the water that we're going to let the rice sit in. When I've included the entirety of the water, I like to let it sit for, in any event, 30 minutes, and at that point you can simply begin utilizing the rice water directly from that point. This rice water will last you around 5 days in the ice chest before it begins to turn sour. When utilizing the rice water, you need to initially ensure that you have a clean face. The main I like to utilize this is as a toner. Everything I do is dunk my cotton cushion into the rice water, press out the overabundance, and at that point just legitimately apply this to my face. The second way I like to utilize my rice water, and my preferred path, is with these compacted sheet veils. These are truly cool since you should simply pour a touch of water on them and they'll open up into a sheet cover. When I've opened it up, I overlay it and set it on the right track into the rice water. I let this sit for around 15 minutes so it can assimilate everything truly well. At the point when you take you out, don't crush out the abundance. You need it to trickle wet. In any case, the cover will dry out quick and won't stick appropriately to your face. I needed to press it out on the grounds that I generally do this over a sink and I don't need to get it everywhere throughout the floor. And then I simply pat everything else into my skin, yet you can wash off if you need. In the wake of utilizing rice water on your skin for some time, you'll see that your skin is milder, firmer and smoother than it was previously, and that is essentially we need. Thanking you for watching the video.